I never thought twice about earning money from my phone. Fast forward to the age of smartphones, and it started to make sense. Today, it's amazing how easy it is to earn some side cash from the palm of my hand. If you're looking for new ways to make extra money, you'll want to check out the top 5 money-earning apps. There are more than 5 apps that can earn new money, but I wanted to point out the best apps to make money fast. Number 1. Rakuten. Rakuten is one of my favorite online best earning apps because you get cash back for things you're going to buy anyway, as long as you do it through their app. How? Stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending customers to their store. Rakuten splits a commission with you, so you both win. I've made over $500 from shopping online through Rakuten and referring friends. When I know I want to purchase something and I don't need it right away, I buy it online if shipping is free to take advantage of my Rakuten perks. I have a nice check of $265 on the way. This is the best Android app for earning money, and it's now available on iOS. Number 2. Dash. Dash is a must-have cashback app. I absolutely love it. It's all passive income since all you need to do is link your credit/debit card and it will automatically give you cash back when you shop, eat, travel, and more at participating local and national merchants. I've made $75 with this app from using my card at participating stores and referring friends. Number 3. Ibotta. Ibotta is another app that allows you to get cash back for items you buy anyway. I love this app. Here's how it works. Download the Ibotta app, and before you shop, add offers on products you normally purchase anyway. Buy the products you selected at any participating store. Don't forget your receipt. Redeem your offers by taking a photo of your receipt. Ibotta will match the items you bought to the offers you selected and give you the cash. Your cashback will be deposited into your Ibotta account within 48 hours. I've made $105.53 so far from a combination of shopping and referring friends. If you tell your friends to sign up, they get $10 and you get $5. Number 4. Acorns. Acorns is a neat money-earning app to get you to start micro-investing. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference on your behalf. For example, if you buy a coffee for $1.75, Acorns will round it up to $2 and automatically invest 25 cents in smart portfolios. You can link as many credit or debit cards as you like and put your change to work for you in a low-cost ETF. I recently downloaded this app and made over $50 without even noticing. There are no fees associated with withdrawing. Just keep in mind that it may be more of a tax implication for the following year. Number 5. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another app for earning money that will pay you to take surveys, watch videos, search the web, refer friends, and test products. This app won't make you rich, but it's an easy way to make some extra money. I've recently downloaded this app and I'm at 477 SP Swagbucks. I could get a $5 Amazon gift card with this amount, but I plan on doing the things mentioned above, which will help me earn $50 to $100 a month. If you want to make more money with surveys, check out Survey Junkie and Prize Rebel. These are the only survey sites I recommend. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.